Gavana wa Nakuru Kinyanjui na murunawe wa Narok Samuel Tunai nimacerete karima Maai Mahiu thutha wa barabara-ini gukorwo ihobokete maita meri hari kiumia kimwe. Kinyanjui augite barabara-ino ni ya bata makiria kuri kaunti ya Nakuru na Narok na uguo na guthuka kwayo no kuhotomia maundu maingi muno kaunti-ini ici cieri na kuria thirikari nene gwetha kihonia kia naihenya.
As a county, together with Narok County and Kenya, we are committed to ensuring that the road is passable at all times. And therefore we have mobilized teams that will monitor the cracks when they come, so that the tourism and other economic activities that are occurring on this particular road are not adversely affected by the weather.
Nake gavana wa Narok Samuel Tunai augite barabara-ino ifati guthamio kuuma mutara kwa itwaro suswa niguo kunina mathina maria macungiriirie gutharara kwa biacara.
From Mutarakwa, I actually want to suggest from Mutarakwa we can get a direct road ambaye inakuja kushika Suswa, so that watu wanaenda Narok na South Rift hakuna haja akuje hapa Maai ili to avoid maneno ya escarpment, kwa sababu escarpment imekuwa inaleta hasara kubwa sana, kwa sababu kila mtu ambaye anaenda anapita hii barabara lazima apite hii escarpment.
Maya mokite oriri ruhonge ruria ruramataga barabara Kenya rugite ni rugucaria uhotekeku wa uria barabara-ino ingithondekwo na njira ingi. Kuringana na mutaaramu umwe kuuma ruhonge-ini ruru rwa Kenya Njogu na Gatitu nimaigite aki a barabara cemba mwena ucio niguo gutigirira andu matiri ugwati-ini kumana na kuhoboka kwa barabara ino.
I would want to assure the public is that we had a natural calamity. The road was cut, but we are assuring them that we'll be able to keep the road open to traffic. We have already identified 2 deviations which we'll be working on, and we have already also put a lot of material, stockpile a lot of material here. In case the road sinks again, we'll be able to make it motorable within the shortest time.
Thomas Ndola na uria ni mutaaramu wa wenji wa mahiga kuma ministry ya wenji wa mahiga magoro augite no mareka uthuthuria niguo kurekereria riboti ya kiria kiracungiriria barabara-ino kuhoboka. Riu aikari hamwe na aria mahuthagira barabara-ino ya Maai Mahiu guthii Narok metereire na kinyi kihonia gia thina uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.